Hello students, today I am going to teach classification of resources. On the basis of occurrence, resources can be classified into following two categories. First, natural resources. First, natural resources. Second, man-made resources. First, what do you mean by occurrence? Occurrence means something that happens. Ghatna. Natural resources available from nature in the form of water, minerals, forest, etc. and used by human beings to satisfy their needs are known as natural resources. Natural resources are essential for the survival of human beings and form the base for development of a country. Natural resources gifted by nature. Second, human resources. Resources created by human beings to satisfy their needs are known as man-made resources or human resources. For example, road, buildings, machines, etc. These resources are essential for us, but they are also developed from natural resources. The quality and the quantity of people of a country determine its human resources. Healthy and well educated people. Healthy and well educated people contribute to their respective societies in positive way. Classification based on development. Development. According to development, the resources divide into two groups. First, the potential resource. Potential resource and second, actual resource. Actual resource. Potential resources, resources which are found in a region but have not been developed or utilized are known as potential resources. Meaning of potential. Potential means sambhavi. Resources which are found in a region but have not been developed or utilized are known as potential resources. Second point, their resources can be utilized with the help of available technology, for example, wind and solar energy in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Second, actual resources of a country are those which have been thoroughly surveyed, their quantities have been which have been thoroughly surveyed, their quantities have been ascertained, exploitation, exploration, development, and utilization of an actual resources. depends upon the technology available. For example, Saudi Arabia has 25.9% of the world oil reserves,